Ayun, kita na siya. Pakita muna natin yung record natin sa walking. Nabasag kasi, nalaglag to sa sa Pampanga. Buwat day 1 natin, January 2 hanapin natin.
January ka nag-umpisa?
January 2 ako nagsimula
Oh?
Oh, January 2. Hanapin natin yung January 2. Sa January 2 natin. Ito, January 2. Third pa lang yan. Ito pala, January 2. Ito, January 2 natin. Yan, January 2.
Walang isang buwan ka na naglakad hanggang Ilocos Norte sa Maynila.
Nabasag kasi hindi makita yung step natin ng todo January 2, 26.24 kilometer tayo. 3, 25.63. January 4, 13.52. January 5, 29.89. January 6, 27.40. January 7, 28.44. January 8, 36.15. January 9, 28.73. January 10, 35 kilometers. January 11, 18.44 kilometers. January 12, 35.7 kilometers. January 13, 24.55. January 14, 23.91. January 15, 29.34. January 16, 33.30. January 17, 23.51. January 18. Ba't wala akong record ng January 18? Alam ko may record. Ay, hindi ko na yan to. Hindi ko na-off ko yata to. January 18. Kaya tumigil yung lakad. January 19, 26.38. 19 yun. January 20, 36.28. January 21, 36.47. January 22, 27.18. January 23, 27.93. January 24, 29.62. January 25, 14.20. Ito linggo ito yata yung labag to pakara lang. 26, 31.18. January 27, 28.1. 0.01 pala. January 28, 23.98. Ito yung kagabi. Kasi itong hindi pala. January 29, ito pala yung kagabi. Kagabi ba to? Ay, hindi pa pala. 18.38. Kagabi nga to. 18.38 kagabi. Kasi ito ngayon, ito yung January 30 natin, mamaya pa magkano ulit yan. Pag nag-stop na tayo. O ayan Kaya ako, bawal ako sumakay kasi bilangin kilometer sa aking step. Hindi nila makita yung step kasi nabasag Kaya pag kinukuha ko yan, pag pinopost ko yan sa dulo ng video ko, ganyan. Ganyan siya. Ngayon, naka 18.38 na tayo. Tapos pipindutin ko yan. Lalabas yung step natin, ayan, 24,513 na. So, hindi pa ako tapos, madadagdagan pa yan. Okay na, malinaw na. Hindi ako sumasakay